This video details a smart manufacturing transformation, specifically how a plastic manufacturer optimized production and response times using Niotek technology. In an executive summary, we show how plastic and rubber partnered with Niotek to transform silent downtime into actionable data. The results included 75% faster response time, a 12% capacity gain, 57% less scrap waste, and 100% automated data. The operational blind spots before the transformation included response lag, where machine stoppages were unknown for 15 to 20 minutes, invisible waste from process drifts, and data fragmentation due to error-prone manual logs. Niotek implemented intelligent connectivity using the MAGNA Connectivity Platform. This delivered an instant alerting engine for real-time notifications, high-frequency monitoring to prevent defects, and automated OEE for audit-ready views of operations. Examining the proven impact by the numbers, response time improved from 18 minutes to 4 minutes, a 75% faster response. Machine availability increased from 72% to 84%, providing a 12% capacity gain. Material scrap rate dropped from 6.5% to 2.8%, reducing waste by 57%. Data accuracy shifted from manual or estimated to 100% automated. The mean time to respond decreased significantly, and the scrap rate percentage was more than halved. The strategic advantage of this approach included a zero CapEx approach, making existing assets smarter. The deployment was non-invasive, with no production stoppage or PLC code modification. The scalable architecture lays the foundation for enterprise-wide AI-driven predictive maintenance. Start your transformation today and bridge the communication gap on your factory floor. Contact Niotek to book a consultation.